day, with the rising sun, people around the world practice wisdom. For thousands of years, yoga and meditation practices have been tools to quiet the mind, bring transformation, and achieve wisdom. From the individualized teachings by gurus at the Himalayan foothills, to the trendy classes in the modern society, to the group gatherings spanning country meadows, yoga has made its place across the regions. From a cult of the modern world, yoga is set to be deeply personal again. It's time for individualized practice, and it's time to get your personal guru. Practice yoga at your place of stay.
Welcome to YogiFi.
With YogiFi as virtual guru by your side every day. Getting guided instructions and real-time corrections on your yoga poses. Enjoy a completely immersive and interactive yoga practice anywhere and anytime. And still be connected to your real guru and your peers across the globe. Connecting community, enhancing immunity, and advancing humanity. Introducing technology for well-being. YogiFi.